Okay, the title of this video is a bit corny, but when I was growing up, there was always this idea in movies that if you're lonely, that means you're just like original and quirky and you're the main character and everything. It's not my fault for having no friends, it's their fault because they're all copies of each other and I'm the original, and that's why I'm sad and lonely. But that's a good thing. This is a difficult topic to talk about because it's not all like black and white, it's not just good or bad, but it's something that I need to address. Obviously, you should have some originality, you should be your own person, have a personality, but some people are so far up in their own ass that they feel like fitting in with other people is bad in any way, in any shape or form. It's not. Let me explain my take on this. So if someone is objectively better than you, which they are, don't lie to yourself. Some people are objectively better than other people. It's just a fact. Why wouldn't you want to fit in with them if that means you're gonna be more like them, if that means you're gonna be better? Obviously, I'm not saying copy their whole personality, just become the copy of that person. No, still stay yourself, but improve yourself. Be a better version of yourself. Why not take the traits that you admire in other people and put them into your own personality and adapt them to your own personality, so you can still be yourself and your own person, but then take the good traits of other people that you want to have and improve yourself and elevate yourself, so you can become a better person, you can become a best possible version of yourself. This is why this toxic positivity is a bad thing. People come up to you and they are like, oh, don't worry, you're perfect just the way you are. No, you're not perfect just the way you are. There is a lot of things you need to improve on. Every human life is worth, but you're not perfect and you're not good enough. You need to improve, you need to get better, you need to fix your flaws. This is the thing, just because everybody has flaws, which is a fact, obviously, nobody is perfect, everybody has flaws, but that doesn't mean that you can just leave them there. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't do anything about them. You should fix your flaws. Nobody is perfect, but you need to try your best to try to be perfect. So if you fit in with people that you admire, that you think are good people, then that will be a good thing for you. You will improve, because obviously you know the saying that you're the equivalent of five people that you hang out with the most. So if those 5 people are good, you're gonna fit in with them and you're gonna become better, and that's ultimately a good thing for you. And obviously be careful not to hang out with bad people and not to try to fit in with people that are gonna do you harm, who are not what you want to become. That's also important. That's why you need to be careful who are you surrounding yourself with. But yeah, it's a good thing to fit in with people that you admire, even though the modern media is telling you like, no, be yourself, don't fit in with anyone. That's cap. You're gonna be lonely and you're not gonna improve as much. So that's all I had to say in this video. If you liked it and you want to see more, there is plenty of videos on my channel. You can check them out if you would like to. You can subscribe if you found this channel interesting and useful, and that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.